Guangdong Honggang Intelligent Equipment Company is a professional manufacturer in hydraulic cutting press and auto thermoforming machine since 2003. Honggang Company integrates development, production, trading, service together. During the past exporting, we have won repeat orders of customers from over 60 countries and resellers in France, UK, Poland, Japan, Malaysia, Indonesia, Vietnam, etc. Thanks to years of production experience and quality pursuing, we also win the superior brand reputation of Honggang in the market for the quality and service. The Honggang factory manufactures cutting machines, embossing machine, heat sealing cutting machine, from 30 tons to 800 tons, widely used in foam packages, plastic packages, leather goods, automotive, cleaning sponge, jigsaw puzzles, etc. We design different automatic systems for in-feeding and picking up, such as belt clip feeding type for multi-layer auto working, cut-on-belt systems for thin raw materials, continuous feeding sheet for cleaning sponge, robot arm for plastic packages, removing tool for ip foam, as well, roller feeding for both rolls and sheets feeding. Basis on cutting, we also developing 3 or 4 station of thermoforming machine, punching, cutting, stacking machine. The DM series are with front-side mold installation and auto clamp system for most fast changing, as well casting-made machine body, adopted German Backhoff industrial PLC, combined with accurate detail ABB servo system, processing good quality of PP, PET, PS, PVC, PE, OPS, degradable materials or molding products. Welcome to visit our factory.